This is my team that raced at Goodwood Revival last year. We were the only South Africans to go there. We raced against Wayne Gardner, Troy Bayliss, some of the big hitters in the world, and we actually finished in 14th place out of 30 teams. We raced these 1961 machines. There's a legacy of racing investment from the UK that goes back 50 years, okay? Well, Jimmy probably goes back 50 with it because he's 80 years old now.
Well, the racing was a long time ago. That was 45, almost 50 years ago. Mainly in the Isle of Man, the Northwest 200, various other circuits like that. I retired in 1967 after winning the Isle of Man.
Peter's our star rider because he's a bit younger.
I raced overseas from 77 to 81. Raced in the Isle of Man 5 years. Ian encouraged me to come and ride some of his bikes. I enjoy riding them. They take me back to my dad's time. It's just wonderful to be able to do this and continue doing it at our age and have a bit of fun.
It's an incredible sensation. It takes you back so many years, and to be able to have the opportunity to ride a lovely machine like this, which is almost identical to the bikes that Francis Beard used to prepare, who I used to ride for. And it really is a pleasure and a delight. It really is.
Jimmy yesterday was quicker than 1400 Suzuki. He beat them yesterday in the race that we did. But because he's quick around the corners, nobody can catch him in the corners. They don't have much power, so they got tremendous corner speed. They carry amazing corner speed, but you need big balls to do it.
This is a single cylinder 500 Norton. Basically is unchanged for the last, well, since about 1958. These bikes in proper tune could do over 140 miles an hour. I rode in the Isle of Man from 1962 to 1967, culminating fortunately in 1967 winning the race.
But you need to be fairly brainless to join this club. 3 months polishing, cleaning and mechanicking, and you can have a setup like this.
Cool bike, very cool bike. Just got a cool look to it. I like the seats. Nice bike.
And now hit it to